What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of what I do every time I do my makeup, pretty much. I don't really do it any differently. And I wanted to talk about my lip filler. So I don't know how to edit really, but if I figure it out, I'll try to insert a picture of what it looked like before. But this is about like 3 or 4 weeks after. They were like so small before. But yeah, I'll try to insert a picture for you guys. But if I don't, just know they were really small. But anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup and answer some like questions people usually ask about lip fillers. So first I'm gonna grab my concealer. So this is the one that I use. I use the Tom Ford in the shade Buff. It's a tiny, it's like probably like a shade too dark, but I usually can't really tell, to be honest. It basically looks like my shade. My boyfriend's dad actually got this for me for Christmas. And I actually don't use foundation anymore because it breaks me out a lot, and I find that my face looks super like, I don't know how to explain it, like, cause it's already kind of chubby and it makes it look like a lot chubbier whenever foundation, so I feel like just using concealer is better. But I basically just like put it on my cheeks so that it kind of evens it out, because I feel like if I only put on my pimples it kind of looks like weird, I don't know. So I just do that and then I put it on my pimples. I haven't made a YouTube video in so long, so if I'm like all over the place, that's why. So I do that above my lip, under the nose. Also, if I'm looking over there, it's the mirror. So try to look, but I can't really see. Also got this new ring light that I'm using from Shein. It's actually pretty good. And I do, oh, that was a lot. Okay. Well, we'll just leave it like that. And then the side a little bit. And then I was like, holy, my makeup looks so good. And I've never seen it look that good before. And it was after I used these makeup brushes. You should just do it, because why not? Like, if it's gonna make you feel better about yourself, me as well. Who cares what other people think? So I'm gonna do whatever makes me happy and not give a shit about what anyone else says. So now I'm gonna put my contour stick. I actually got this new one. I saw it on TikTok. It was really good, actually. Like, obsessed with this. And it blends so fast. So I put it here. Tiny bit on my nose because it's like pretty dark. Okay, those are really messy lines. And you always want to bring it up to your eyebrow so that it kind of blends it. And then under here. And I do like the tip kind of. Oh my god, that's messy. It's okay, we'll fix it with concealer. Up here. Then I'm gonna blend it out with this bronzer brush from that pack. And look how fast this blends out. Like, look at that. And I like this brush because it's like curved, so it doesn't go everywhere. Like the other brush I would use, it would go everywhere. This like keeps it in one spot. Oh my god, I made a TikTok the other day of my makeup and I forgot to blend the thing under my lips. So it was like a big thing of dark, like a big line. What the fuck am I saying? Big dark line. But like, look at how fast that blends out. It's like amazing. Perfect, but like if you're rushing. So I know some that are like, you're sitting there forever trying to blend it out. So I'm gonna blend my nose. Wait, I forgot to say that I used this brush to blend out my nose. It's kind of like a curved brush like that. Okay, now that it's all blended out and it looks super dark, we're just gonna lighten it with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory. I'm just gonna put on the tip and bridge and kind of bring it up. I think I just put that on my bow thing. Put it upwards like that. This shade is lighter than my other concealers, so it like highlights. And this is where I use my beauty blender and I kind of just tap. God, this hurts. Let me like close. Paranoid. Oh my god, I need to do a story time about my old house that was literally haunted. But I haven't. Okay, I don't want to jinx it, but like nothing's happened here in my new house. But I don't know, I've always been paranoid about things since then. Okay, so now that's done, but this part's kind of gone, so I'm just gonna take this brush again and kind of go over that middle part because I really like that line across the bridge. Okay, I'm kind of liking that. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Fit Me powder in Fair and I'm going to put it in here. I'm gonna use this powder puff, I think it's called, also from Amazon. Look how cute it is. I got this bow from their headband bow thing from Amazon also, and I'm just gonna bake. I also don't bake for a long time. I just kind of do it for like a minute. And the sides of the nose. Like that. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. So this is what it looks like. Tell me why I look like that fucking one kid show. This white spider. Oh my god, if you know, you know. But oh my god, I'm sorry, I look kind of scary. But I do it like that. I do there, the nose, a little bit here and there. So now I'm gonna just sit for a sec, not really long. I just kind of do it to put my stuff away. Then I'm gonna take, where's the powder? This one. It's cool too, these brushes come with like these labeling things and numbers so you like know what brush you're using. So this is the buffing powder brush. I'm just gonna wipe away all the stuff. If you guys have any other questions about like my lip filler stuff, let me know in the comments because I feel like I don't really know what else to say other than like the pain level. Or actually, maybe I'll explain how it feels. So didn't expect to feel how I thought it would. Like I feel like after you're done, it literally feels like you have like lumps in your lip, and it feels like you have like implants almost in there. It's really weird. It feels like you can't really pucker your lips. It feels like it's like stuck. I don't know how to explain it. It's really hard to like sip things too. Like, it feels like super tight. Like you can't really. Now it's fine. Like also going like this. When you first get them done, it feels really weird. But after like 2 or 3 weeks, it feels pretty much normal again. Like it doesn't even feel like I have anything anymore. And they go down a lot too. So don't worry if it's really swollen in the beginning, it goes down a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is like the best bronzer. I'm sure everyone's heard about it. And I just tap it to help the excess off. And I just kind of, I don't really go like this. I mostly just pat it. And then I kind of go in circular motions a little bit. And I kind of like bring it up a tiny bit, like up there. I feel like it looks really cute. My god, you guys, I literally just lost like so much footage, but I basically just used this highlighter from ColourPop, which I don't know what it's called, but it looks like that. And then I used this blush from Icing. It's like a Barbie pink color. And I meant to say I got 1 ml filler, but if you see a lot of parts cut off in the video, it's because my phone is being really dumb. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more, like, subscribe, and I'll try to make some more. So hope you enjoyed.